Zoom shares are down after what is being viewed as a mixed fourth quarter earnings report. Joining us now in a CNBC exclusive is Eric Yuan. He's the CEO, founder, and chairman of Zoom Communications. Eric, good to have you. On the call, you say in the age of AI, Zoom becomes more essential. Let's just start there. Why does Zoom become more essential in that world?
It's a great question. So if you take a step back and think about how we spend time every day, it really comes down to just the two types of interactions. The first one is the human-to-human interaction. It's just like in-person meetings, Zoom calls, and in-person conversations. And the second one, the human-to-system interactions. This is everything else, like checking email, sending chat messages, creating document, and so on. So to complete most of the tasks today, we move through those two steps sequentially. And for example, if I'm a sales rep and schedule a Zoom call, after the conversation ends, I need to manually log into the CRM and update the system manually. So this is a conversation first, and the system update second. This is a fragmented workflow. In the AI era, it's very different. And you do not need to go through the two-step process. And human-to-human interactions remains essential, and conversations still drive business. What changes is human-to-system interaction. So meaning instead of navigating through the traditional UIs, copying notes, and manually updating systems, AI agent can do this for you. Listen to the conversations, understand the context, and the AI agent execute the necessary system actions.
All right. Yeah, if I can stop you there, just because I don't want to run out of time. So you're connecting collaboration to action. And I guess one of the questions, though, is when you start to monetize some of this technology you're talking about, is it near term? Or are we still talking a couple of years away?
No, it's near term because Zoom sits at the center of human-to-human interactions. We are uniquely positioned to own that bridge between conversation and completion, transforming the human-to-human interactions directly into outcomes. We can monetize now.
You said you own the bridge. To what degree, though, do you actually have some kind of proprietary claim on those interactions in terms of your embedded customer base? I know that's been the concern, is that various AI applications can sort of simulate or displace these things.
Again, those are human-to-system interactions. What we are focusing on the human-to-human interactions. Human-to-human interactions in the AI era remains essential. Conversations still drive business. That's a core.
And do you believe your investor base believes that? I mean, we're looking at a stock price that's down 11+%.
So we had a wonderful solid Q4, and revenue goes 5.3%, on enterprise front 7.1%. I think we missed EPS because of tax and not because of top line growth. We have a high confidence we can execute, even much better in FY27.
And finally, Eric, you own a stake in Anthropic that was bought some time ago. The gains on it are potentially, it seems, enormous, at least talking about a $532 million pre-tax gain you recorded in Q4. Any thoughts about selling some of that and realizing the profits?
In the AI era, I think we just started, and huge opportunity ahead of us. And Software is such a great company. We are one of the early investors. We're proud of their performance. I think I do not think we want to sell for sure. So it's a great, company. So.
Oh, well, Eric, always appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us. Eric Yuan is the CEO, of course, of Zoom.